Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Magical Math Morning Session. In today's session, we are going to extend what we have learned with respect to cube roots. Small numbers we had seen, big numbers we had seen, very big numbers we had seen. But if the very big numbers are even numbers, we can further shorten them to find the cube roots very easily. Today, we'll be learning that concept. Let's take this. Suppose before that, I want you to understand what is the traditional method of finding cubes. For example, we have 512. If you want to find out cube root, what we used to do? We used to find the factorization of this 512. We used to take 512 with 2, it will go to 2 is 2 5s are, 2 6 are. Then again with 2, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are. Then again with 2, 2 6 are, 2 4s are. Then we have 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are. Then we have 2 2s are. Correct? No? That means 1, 2, 3. One group we have 1, 2, 3. Then we have 1, 2, 3. The methodology is to write this in cube root as 2 into 2 into 2. These are all factors we used to multiply. To 2 into 2 into 2 and the other 3 also. 2 into 2 into 2. What we do, we make them into groups of 3, and then for each group, because it's a cube root, if the number is multiplied 3 times means its cube root will be 1 time. So we take 1 outside. For these 3 twos, I will take 1 outside. These 3 twos, I will take 1 outside. When we multiply these 3 things, we will get 8. Cube root of 512 was 8. This was the methodology we followed. And for the people who don't know, if I give you one more example, suppose a simple number will take 3375. How do you do? Start factorizing this. First we'll start with 5 because it's a 5 no. Always we do with the prime numbers which we know very easily. 5 6 are 30, then 5 7 are 35, 5 5 are 25. Then with 5 again it goes 5 1s are 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are. Again we'll go with 5 2s are, 5 7s are. Then with 3 9s are. Again with 3 we'll get 3 3s are. So how we can write the cube root of this as? We'll write it's the cube root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we can group them into 3 3 numbers. Correct? No? 1 5. Instead of these threes, 1 3 will come. So when we take them outside of the cube root, we take a representative one number for every 3 factors of the same number. So 5 into 3 will come. This is nothing but 15. This I quickly recap so that in case you don't know how to find out the cube root by the traditional method, and we are going to use this concept. Suppose 8 is there means what? 2 into 2 into 2. Sorry. Correct. Which is nothing but 2. So we use the concept of cube root of 8 equal to 2 to simplify bigger even numbers. In which cases this will be useful? Let me tell you. Suppose we want to find cube root of 238,87872. This is a very big number, more than 7 digits. That's it's having 8 digits, but it is a even number. That's too, it is divisible by 8. We check is it divisible by 8? Yes, last 3 digits, if they are divisible by 8, means the entire number will be divisible by 8. In such cases, first we will divide this one by 8. Means one group of 8 I am taking out. That means 2 I can remove it out. 8 2s are 16. 7 is left 78. 8 9s are 72. 68. 8 8s are 68. 64. 4 and 7, 8 5s are 40, 78, 8 9s are 72, 67, correct no? 8 8s are 64 and 8 4s are 32. Again, if you take this is also further divisible by 8. I want to bring it as small number as possible. 8 threes are 24, 58, 8 sevens are 56, 8 threes are 24, 8 twos are 16, 8 fours are 32, 8 eights are 64. Now we write this one as cube root of 8 into 8 into 373248. Yes, correct now. And 373248 we can easily find out by making this into two groups. The unit digit is 8. So what will come at the end? 2 will come. For 8 and 7 it's a complement, correct no? 373 is larger than 7. Correct no? Because 7 cube is 343. Therefore we'll take 7. So cube root of this is 72 and cube root of this is 2, cube root of this is 2, cube root of this is 72. So just multiply these things, you will get the cube root. 72 twos are 144, 144 twos are 288 is the cube root of this. Means when we have a bigger even number which is divisible by 8, we can divide by 8 and only the remaining number we can find out. This is very easy to find out 373 and 248. With explanation, it would have taken more time. Let's take one more example, which we can do it much easier way. Maybe we want to find out cube root of 514788848. See, last three digits if you take, it is divisible by 8. So what we do, I will first divide by 8 and write. This can be written as cube root of 8 into its division we can write directly. 8 6 are 48, 8 4 are 32, 8 2 3 are 24, 38, 8 4 are 32, 8 8 are 64, 8 5 are 40, 8 6 are. Now this one again it can go with 8, correct no? 8 into 8 into 8 8 are 64, correct no? 0, 8 4s are 32, 8 3s are 24, 8 5s are 8 7s are. Now this we can easily find out. Cube root of 8 is 2 into cube root of 8 is 2 into this one we group into this one. What do you get for the first part? 804 means it is greater than 9. 729, correct no? 9 cube. And this one is 7 means it will come 3. The product of this thing will be multiplying with 2 is very easy. 93 into 2 is 186 into 2 is 372 is the cube root of this. Understood? That means instead of finding the factorization of all numbers lengthy, imagine doing the factorization of this big number like in the traditional method. Here just divide by 8 and whatever number you are getting, that's it. You need not write all these symbols in the competitive exams, correct no? Just you keep one 8 aside and write this and keep one 8 aside, directly write this and this step directly you can write 2 into 2 into this, correct? Or else you can directly multiply, that's it. We need not write these also because for every group of it we will multiply once with 2. 93 double and double. I hope you understood this trick. I'll give you with one more bigger number, maybe 602362888. Okay. This number's cube root we want to find out. So what I do, I will tell you how we should do in the competitive exams. Directly take 1 8 and write its division, correct no? 6 5 2 9 5 3 6. We got this. Further it is divisible by 8. It's not divisible by, is it this? 1 minute. 8 sevens are 56, 42. That's 8 5s are 40. 3, 8 twos are 16. So 7 is left, 76. 8 nines are 72. 42 means 8 5s are 40. 2 and 8, 8 threes are 24. 48 means 8 6 are. Now, so 48. Yes. Again, further it will go with 8. Correct? No? Just I will do 8 nines are 72. 8 fours are 32. 8 ones are 8 ones are 8. 73 means 8 nines are 72. 8 twos are. Now, directly I will write for this 941 means it's greater than 9 cube. So we'll write 9. And this one 2 means what? The complement is 8. So 98 into 2 we should do. Correct? No, 98 means 196 and 392 is the square root of this. Sorry, cube root of this. Okay? Because I didn't want to mistake, there was a small confusion here. But when you do this method, definitely we could finish within around 12 to 15 seconds. If you practice, you can do within 10 seconds also. Correct? Let's do one last example today. Maybe we'll take 2, 5, 9, 3, 4, 3, 3, 6. This is applicable only for perfect cubes. Okay. What I'll do? 1, 8 I will divide. 8 3s are 8 2s are 16, 3, 8 4s are 32, 8 1s are 8 7s are 56, 8 9s are 72, 8 2s are 16. Again with 8 it will go 8 4s are 32, 8 zeros are 8 5s are 8 2s are 16. Like you can do this fast. Correct? No? 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32. This we can easily write. This is 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512. So 7 will get, 4 means 4 only. 74 instead of this 1 2, instead of this 1 2. 74 twos are 148 and 296 is the cube root of this. Now you understood how fast we can do this. Correct? This is the easier way. Check whether the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. If that is the case, then you divide by 8. Further you check, divide by 8. Only once means we will multiply only once. Directly if you get a small number, if we are given only this means we will divide once by 8. And whatever you get, last small number when it comes to 6 digits, you can easily write the cube root. Correct? No? But remember, this thing works only for the perfect cubes. And competitive exams, when they had given 4 options A, B, C, and D, if they had given only the whole numbers, then what we do? We use this trick. Whole numbers means definitely we know that this is a perfect cube. We follow this trick and we can directly do this. I hope you all enjoyed these sessions, and I wanted to teach many methods in the Vedic mathematics. And if you had seen in the last 13 weeks, it is already 13 weeks, we learned most of the shortcuts of addition. We learned most of the shortcuts of subtraction. We learned most of the shortcuts of multiplication, division, squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots. These all techniques are useful all students starting from third, fourth standard onwards. The higher squares and cube roots you can learn from fifth standard and above for all the students. But if at all I have to continue this, I may have to include the concepts of algebra like linear equations, quadratic equations, but those things will not be useful for the younger children. So what I want to do, this session of Magical Math Mornings, we will not continue from tomorrow. Don't be worried. We are not going to stop permanently. Instead of this, in the new year, I'm going to bring this in a new way. What I can do, weekly 2 videos comprising all the shortcuts compressed into one simple video. I am going to upload in the same Ram's Math Sub channel. There, apart from recapping all these techniques, I am going to give you some magical math tricks on a weekly basis. So that because some people had expressed to me their children have school bus coming at 7:30. Definitely I cannot force them to attend at 7 o'clock. But when I upload this thing, two videos, you can watch them anytime in the week and you practice. And how you grow, it will depend upon you. And also for the students in fourth standard, fifth standard, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth, I will create some playlist, some important topics what you get into the school, like mensuration topics, like perimeters, areas, or some fractions, or some decimals, or percentages. I will upload them in the form of videos in the same channel. Stay tuned to the video what we send. Ensure that if you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, you will get the notification. Just watch whatever notifications you will get and you will be updated. And you need not stick to only this routine. Anytime during the day, you can check it out. Within the week, you should finish them. I hope you all enjoyed this and thank you for continuing this journey with me from the last 13 weeks. And it has been very good experience for me also. And wish you all a very happy new year. And new year should be very good with maths. And stay tuned in the WhatsApp group also. There I'm going to share the updates. What are the new initiatives we are bringing with Ram's Maths Hub. And definitely those things are going to help you very much with respect to improvement of your maths to the next level. Okay. Bye bye. See you in the future sessions. Take care. Wish you all the best for the new year.